I love doing these.
This is just an ordinary warehouse at the orphanage. I was working this morning and there was a bird caught inside. We flew back all the way to the other side. And I was hoping he'd go out the window, out the door, but no.
I'll save you.
Poor guy, he's wearing himself out. So I thought, okay, I'll get a cloth or something and throw it over him. There you go. Oh, aren't you pretty? Yeah, you'll be okay. I had my doubts for a second here. Then.
Okay, you can make it.
You can make it. Hey! Off you go. Yay! Okay, so my research looks like it's a starling. Thanks for watching Travels with Lucky. Watch for more.